welcome to another edition of the AK Option Trader. And what last couple days we've been having. I don't know about you, but those last couple days have been really good to me. Really good. Been holding on, not playing like I did on Monday or Tuesday when I tried to go against the trend, tried to play it up, and it cost me a little bit. Ended up making quite a bit. I made all that back and then some, so I had a pretty good couple days. Here's what I've been noticing. I'm not going to show you any big charts because we all know what they look like. Blood red bath. I mean, you don't need to see them. You know what's going on. So let's look at an intraday today. So here we've got the S&P 500. What I've done is put circles here at 3 o'clock every day. Okay, so here's the 6th, 3 o'clock right here. Look at that. Down. The rest of the day, it's a little volatile, had a little movement. 3 o'clock comes, down we go. Here's 3 o'clock. This is a day up. This next morning is when I tried to play some calls. Ended up selling myself out here for a little bit of a loss. Turn around and buying puts at 3 o'clock. Boom, right down. Next day, rebound, come back down, coming up. A lot of people trying to buy calls. I waited right about here. Bought some puts. Boom, right down. Held them overnight, and now we're down here. Look at this, 3 o'clock here. Down. Every day, the last hour, we're having sell-offs. Look crazy. I think today might have been a little bit more so because the ban expired on short selling. So had a little bit to do with, of course, GM came out and guided lower, and there's terrible news. So all this stuff in the market. But this has been going on every day. Something I've been talking about with you guys every day is this. You can see how hard it tried to hold the support. This is the NASDAQ. How hard the NASDAQ tried to. In fact, a couple of the sites I was at, people were commenting on why are the Qs behind? Why aren't the Qs moving? And I was trying to tell them it's got a pretty decent support here. Did not want to break. If you look at the percentage-wise on the Qs, looking at my notes, the Qs or the NASDAQ was down 5.4. Well, the Dow and the S&P were down 7.7. So they're down 2% more than the NASDAQ. So you've been better playing S&P. I actually played the Qs, did really good. Would have done a lot better than played the S&P. It cost me a little bit more money to play, but it would have been worth it today. But anyway, I sold it. I left left quite a bit of money on the table. I think I sold right about here, somewhere in this area here. So, like I said, I did great. I'm not complaining. I just, if I'd stayed in for that last 20 minutes, would have been amazing. Something else I want to show you. This is only regular chart I'm going to show you. Remember the Sina? We've been watching Sina. Remember I said it has to break this support, probably bounce off, and we're going to hit. This thing was actually up 4.8% today. $1.14. Up 4.8% on a day when the Dow was down 7%. That to me is amazing. That is phenomenal. I didn't look up. I neglected to look up what the volume was today. And that would be good to know. So you might want to do a quick check on Sina and see what the volume, because I'm going to look at it before I make a decision. But what I was going to tell you is, if you look, let's go ahead and zoom in on this a little bit. This thing is setting up beautiful for another short trade. We've got the head and shoulders. We've got the 200 MA. We've got inverted hanging man here, or a hammer coming up in the middle line. I mean, this whole area right here, this sucker is getting ready to drop again. Now, if we have huge volume on this, my guess is if we looked at this and petering out, if we looked at it in an intraday, looked at the volume, you'd see the volume dissipated throughout the end of the day. If that's the case, then this trade is one I'm going to be looking for. So I might look to fade this tomorrow. I mean, it couldn't have set up any better. I'm just shocked it actually worked and came off of this on a day like we had today. So I'm going to do a quick news search on it, and I haven't done that tonight. When it gets posted on, I have to pick up my daughter from dance, so I couldn't hang out and wait and kind of tell you guys what was going on. Anyway, let me see. I didn't see any. Do a quick thing. News volume was 1.8 million. Average was 1.3. So a little bit heavier volume today. But anyway, this is one I'm going to go ahead and try to play. Hit this 200. Hit this neckline. I'm looking for this to go down, and like I said, my target's going to be right around the 1750. Probably be a little bit lower, but I like to play it safe. I like to get that chunk in the middle. I like to get the white frosting in between the two Oreos. Alright, anyway, quick post tonight. Just want to keep you guys informed what was going on. Like I said, there's no use showing a long chart. Oh, I do want to show something though. Hold on here. Let's go back to this one. Let's go out here. And if we want to look at right now the futures, this is the futures, S&P futures are down big time. 27 points right here. They're down 27 points. So not good for tomorrow. Tomorrow might be the day I've been waiting for. I've been waiting for an opening that gaps down nice and low. I mean low. And then I don't know. I'd like to see it open down 200, just go right down 200, 300 points. And at that time, risky as it be, I'm going to be buying calls. That's just me. I'm not recommending it for everybody. I'm going against the trend. I'm going against what's going on. I'm thinking I'm going to call a bottom. But if you look on this thing, it is hit. We're down. If it opens up down, if it gaps down, and what I'd like to see is a candle with a nice big wick on the bottom of it forming. Like this, similar to the bad boy right here, except there won't be any top wick. Just form just like that, and then that's what I'm looking for. And I'm going to be buying calls. Prices are going to be cheap. Remember, expiration week is next week. I'm going to try not to hold it over this weekend, but that's my plan. I'm not saying that you should do it. It's going to be risky. That's what I'm going to do. Anyway, good luck. Happy trading, and trade right and prosper. I don't know if it's going to be down or up tomorrow. Right now it looks down, and maybe the capitulation day we're looking for. All right, good luck to you all, and hopefully I'll be talking to you soon. AKOT out.